Hello friends, I am Dr Prema B Sejekan. Welcome to the third lesson of Mathematics, Tricks and Fun. I hope you have attended my earlier classes and know about the special code I have taught. In the last Republic Day special video, I have explained in detail and it's a must-watch video. In all this, we are multiplying two digits with 1, 9. So there is one extra digit, that is in 22 multiplied by 9. Here there is 1 2 extra. 11 multiplied by 9. Here 1 is extra. That extra digit's place is taken by 9 and is occupying the middle in the product. 11 multiplied by 9, answer is 099. 22 multiplied by 9, answer is 198. 44 multiplied by 9, answer is 396. 33 multiplied by 9, answer is 297. In all this, 9 is in the middle and the product of the multiplication of the digit with 9 is written on either side of the middle 9. 222 multiplied by 999. There are 6 digits here. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18 and the answer is 221778. In the next example, 5 2's are multiplied by 5 9's. So the answer is 222217778. When 2 2's or 2 9's are extra, the center will be occupied by 2 9's and on either side of it the product will come. So the answer for the next two examples is 219978. Here also 333 is multiplied by 999. The answer is 332667. 33,333 is multiplied by 99,999. The answer is 33,332,66667. The other two examples, 2 3's and 2 9's are extra. So the answer is 329967. These are some examples to show how to apply the code in the multiplication with 9's. 444 multiplied by 999. Now 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. So that the answer is 443556. When 4 5's are multiplied by 4 9's, the answer is 55544445. However long the calculation is, if you apply the code, you can solve it very quickly. Here, 5 6's are multiplied by 5 9's. 6 into 9 is 54. Applying the code, the answer is 66665. 33334. 777 is multiplied by 999. The answer is 776223. Same way, 8888 is multiplied by 4 9's. The answer is 88871112. This slide expresses again the extra digits or extra 9's in the multiplication with 9's, and we should remember always it is the 9's that will appear in the middle in the multiplication with 9. Thank you. In the coming classes, we will study multiplication of 9s with numbers having digits in random, like 776, 999, 19879 multiplied by 9999 and so on. Thank you.